The first dumpling wasn't food. It was a prescription. 2,000 years later, we took the cure and made it an addiction. The year is 200 AD. A Chinese physician, Zhang Zhongjing, watches his people suffer, their ears lost to frostbite. He folds medicine, mutton, warming herbs, into dough shaped like the ears he's trying to save. He calls them jiaer, little ears, a cure designed to heal. But history wanted something more. Fast forward. Qing Dynasty, Sichuan province. A new discovery. Scorching hot oil poured over dried chilies. Suddenly, flavor isn't just about heat. It's about texture. A sound. A crunch that would echo for centuries. This was the spark. But the fire needed a legend. Jump to the 1990s. A woman, Tao Huabi, sells noodles from a roadside stall. But people aren't lining up for the noodles. They're obsessed with her sauce. She bottles it, builds a billion-dollar empire without a single ad, and gives the world the addiction it was waiting for. And here is the paradox. The cure became the craving. We took the doctor's healing food and set it on fire. We crave the burn. The medicine became the addiction. And that crispy layer, the one the internet can't stop watching, that's not ancient. That's content. 2 minutes pan-fried, 7 minutes steamed, 30 final seconds of sizzle. That's the secret separating the cure from the click. The doctor shaped his cure to save a village. We shaped it to go viral. 2,000 years, same dough, different fire. So when you chase that crunch, are you feeding a hunger? Or are you feeding the algorithm?